Have you ever wondered, can I really print my own wallet-sized checks at home on affordable check paper? The answer is a big, resounding yes. If you're tired of paying high prices for pre-printed bank checks or waiting weeks for them to arrive in the mail, ezCheckPersonal is here to make your life easier. With ezCheckPersonal, you stay in total control of your budget, right from the comfort of your home. Getting started is simple. Just select the Use Blank Stock option in your check setup. Instantly, you can print professional checks, complete with secure MICR coding, your logo, and even your signature. If you ever get stuck or need a friendly hand guiding you through, just click the Help menu right inside the program for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page at halfpricesoft.com. Stop overpaying for checks today. Print what you need exactly when you need it, safely and simply. Visit halfpricesoft.com right now to download your free trial and see just how easy home check printing can be.